To save for big expenses on Goodbudget 2025, start by setting financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house, a car, or a vacation. Begin by identifying the expense and estimating its cost next. Determine how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. Create a new envelope in Goodbudget specifically for this big expense and fund it regularly. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or envelope to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Consider setting reminders or alerts in Goodbudget to ensure you never miss a transfer. It is essential to prioritize your big expenses. Focusing on the most critical ones first, be sure to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your savings goals. To avoid going into debt when the big expense arises, make sure to save enough in your designated envelope. Goodbudget allows you to create multiple envelopes for different expenses, making it easier to organize and manage your savings. By following these steps and consistently saving, you can successfully save for big expenses using Goodbudget 2025. Remember to stay committed to your goals and make adjustments as needed to ensure you reach your target.